So what are the best free SEO tools you can utilize out there to enable your blog, your YouTube video, or anything you post on the internet rank on search engine? Now, ranking on search engine has gone beyond just posting on blog alone or posting on YouTube alone. Now, your social media content now rank on Google, and even content you write somewhere hidden on the internet now ranks on Google. What do I mean? Have you ever created a website or recently have you created a website and you did not put it on Google, not add it on Search Console, and all of a sudden you see the website on Google when you search for it? That means Google has now have the privilege to rank all websites, or Google now rank all websites on its own. It doesn't even need you to add it to Search Console before it shows it to the world. It just go there once you register your website, it goes there, you pick the website and shows it to the world. That means Google is scanning everything on the internet. So what are the best tools you can utilize if you want to rank whatever content you are posting on any social media out there? So here are the best tools you can utilize. But before we dive into the tools, it's our weekend. It's our free weekend. It's our vacation free weekend, and we are currently live at the Benin City Museum house. So you can check our marketing channel where we post videos about our marketing, how we run marketing for um, institutions just like this. Just in case you have an institution you want a V3 design to cover, you check our marketing channel where we post a lot of these advertising stuff, V3 advertisement. We'll post things like this where we market brands and help them cover some things and also build their website for them. So we're actually having a weekend here at the museum house at the same time we're working. So that is where I'm shooting this video from right now. So what are the 4 tools you can utilize to rank your website or your content or your YouTube video? For my YouTube video, what I utilize one of these tools and I'm going to let you know at the end of this video. So let's begin. So number one tools I utilize in ranking my content is Uber Suggest. Now Uber Suggest is they give you 3 free search trials. With those 3, you can do what you want and rank your articles. They give you keywords that are actually friendly to what you are searching for. They give you questions. They give you prepositions that people are actually searching for. So my number one list is Uber Suggest. It's owned by Nipatel and it's a great free tools you can use to rank your website on search engine or your YouTube video. Now, number 2 tools I use, which was it's actually Answer the Public. Now, Answer the Public was recently acquired by Nipatel, but it's still a great tool. Now, although I don't like the feature that Nipatel had to somehow monetize it by making sure that you have to create an account and do a lot of things before you actually use the whole version of the tool. It has been free before, but shout out to Nipatel. That feature I still do not like it, but then it's still one of the best tools out there for ranking your content, and it's actually free. Now, number 3 on my list is SEMrush. Now, SEMrush is actually a great tool. I've been utilizing them. They give you detailed analytics of your website. They scan your website to the last text on your website and tell you how you can rank. Now, SEMrush actually has a free plan and also have a paid plan, but I think SEMrush does the job when it comes to search engine optimization, SEO, ranking of content, ranking of blog, ranking of YouTube video. Now, number 4, what I use for my YouTube video is SEOtools.com.ng. Now, they have a YouTube section where I can generate hashtag, generate keyword. And any of my video you come across, I don't start thinking about the hashtag to utilize, or a lot of people use vidIQ, but I pick the keyword from SEO and then take it to my vidIQ and then it shows me that okay, it's ranking. Now imagine me coming up with 100 keyword or 500 words worth of keyword, and those are actually stressful. So what I just do is I take, if I'm building a website now, let's assume museum website, I take the title museum website, take it to SEO tools, generate tags for it, and then those tags I take it back to the YouTube tag list, post those tags there, and then what when I check, I always see that vidIQ actually rank those keywords. That means I'm actually doing well. So SEO2.com.ng is actually working fine. Now the last tools is SEO Tools.Africa. Now this is currently built by us. We are working on the process right now. That is one tools you want to try out. So for the convenience of this video, we have not launched it yet, but we are still building and still working on it. So you can check out SEO Tools.Africa. Everything there is free. Yes, everything there is free. You can utilize it for your own personal consumption. Everything is free. So those are the 5 tools I utilize, or those are the 5 tools you need to actually pay attention to if you want to rank yourself on search engine in 2024 and beyond. So thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button, like this video if you find this video interesting. If you have any issue or any question regarding SEO, please use the comment box and I'll be waiting for you there. So guys, thanks for watching. Bye for now.